Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I have got a very special skincare haul review that I wanted to share with you guys. This is the Alya skincare. So they reached out to me and were interested in doing a collab, so I was like, let's try it out. I've definitely seen their brand on multiple platforms. I've seen influencers use them, so I'm definitely excited to give them a try. So what is included is the pomegranate seed powder exfoliating facial scrub, a foaming micellar cleanser. This is infused with witch hazel, watermelon, and seed oil. Then they got the Australian native berries moisturizer. This is with macadamia oil to hydrate, restore, and replenish your skin. Also gave me the most popular trending pink face mask. This is the Pink Perfect Clay Mask. Last but not least, the Vitamin C Supercharged Serum. So I'm definitely gonna be excited to show you guys through how my skin reacts to these products, and we will see how my face glows up after. I will talk to you later. So the best part of the day is to finally take off those lashes. I'm going to be using the micellar water, and it came with this really cute pink towel. I'm just going to wipe off my face, any residue, and then I'm going to foam up my face. This is so light and perfect for just taking off the first layer of makeup. This made my skin already glowing, and then I'm going to be going in with the facial scrub just a little bit, and then just dabbing it all over my face and lightly scrubbing it in. And let me tell you, my face felt so smooth. I was very impressed. Next, I'm going to be taking the pink clay face mask, and look how smooth that is. When I first felt the consistency, it just amazed me of how cloud-like it felt, how smooth it went on my skin, and the smell was great. For it to set. So after waiting 10 minutes, it hardened a little bit, and I'm just gonna take the towel and then slowly rub it off. My face has definitely felt so cleansed. You can tell how glowing it is, and even in the natural daylight, it feels and looks amazing. Like, look at that. I'm back in my room, and then I'm going to be using the moisturizer. This smells amazing as well, and nice and light and not too heavy on the skin. And last but not least, I'm going to be using this serum, just patting it lightly everywhere just to seal everything in the face. And wow, my face definitely feels moisturized. So I am back. Overall, I want to say that I was actually really impressed by the products. The only product that I wasn't a big fan of is the facial scrub. It's just because like I don't normally use facial scrubs, just because I know like if you use it every day it's very harsh on your skin, but once in a while I feel like it's okay. The residue after washing off the salts, I guess, is just I'm not like a fan of like, oh shoot, like I have like a piece of salt there, and then I had to kind of like really cleanse my face. But overall, my face definitely feels refreshed and it is actually glowing. Like I'm pretty like surprised. I've been having like very dull skin. I've used moisturizer serums and it doesn't make like my skin look like this. I think it's just because I used all the products all in one go that it definitely made my skin look great. So overall, my impression of the bundle is amazing. I would definitely try it if you guys are interested. The hype is like, it's all worth it. It's definitely not overhyped at all. This one is great on the skin. I haven't got any breakouts. My skin is super sensitive to certain products, and overall I have no breakouts, no reactions. So I would say it is good to go on this brand and I approve. If you guys want to try it out, please check out my discount code below. You will not regret it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.